I was born in a poor family, living in the slums. Life was tough on us and we could barely eat two decent meals a day. My father was a garbage collector while my mom used to sell flowers near the church. Every weekend, I would always go with my mom to help her sell flowers. Growing up in a poor family, I witnessed the struggles and hardships of life, so I know how to appreciate the value of every single cent that we earn. I also promised myself that I will do whatever it takes to make our lives better and bring my family out of poverty. I studied so hard, even though sometimes my stomach was growling in hunger. But instead of losing hope, I used my hunger as an inspiration to keep on moving forward. I graduated high school with flying colors and I was so much happy because I knew that my parents were so proud of me. But then, despite having good grades in high school, I wasn't able to enroll for college because we just couldn't afford it. To help my family with our growing expenses, I decided to find work instead. I took many part-time jobs like washing dishes, washing cars, and construction works. One night while I was on my way home, I saw an old man struggling on pushing his car to a nearby repair shop. I felt sorry for him, so I helped him push his car. When we reached the repair shop, he thanked me and we chatted a bit. Before we said our goodbyes, he suddenly gave me some cash and an old-looking ring as a thank you gift. I humbly accepted it, though I was a little bit curious about the ring, so I asked him about it. He told me that it brings good luck if I wear it all the time. I was skeptical about it, but it looked nice, so I wore it anyway. Since then, my life started to change. I was surprised when I was hired for a decent paying job in a prestigious hotel. After a few months, my boss saw more potential in me if I only had a degree, so he offered me a scholarship for college. 4 years later, I graduated college with the highest honors and I was promoted to a senior position. With my salary raised, I was able to rent a better apartment for our family and treat them in a fancy restaurants. One night while eating our dinner, my mom noticed the old-looking ring in my hand and asked me about it. I got curious too, so I started to do some research and I found out that it has something to do with the concept of feng shui. According to Wikipedia, feng shui is a pseudoscience originating from China. It claimed to use the energy forces to harmonize individuals with their surrounding environment. The art of feng shui is used to optimize abundance and prosperity of every kind, wealth, health, relationships, and career success. Many famous people and companies in the world use feng shui too. I began to search for the exact same ring and found an online store that sells this authentic ring. I wanted my family to experience the same luck that I had, so I ordered several pieces for them. A few weeks after getting the ring, good news just kept coming into our lives. Using my savings, I started a clothing business for my parents and it took off in just a few months. A year later, we were able to open more clothing stores in several malls. As for me, I was promoted as a manager after months of training. Together, we were able to buy our own house in a peaceful and clean village. Finally, my dream of a better life for my family came true. Remembering how our lives changed, I got curious and I wanted to learn more about feng shui and the ring. So I searched deeper on the internet to find out how they make it. Each ring is carefully handmade and had to go through rituals that bless the ring with the good energy. The ring that I bought is Lucky Feng Shui Peaks You Wealth and Protection Ring. The 6-syllable mantra Om Mani Padme Hum is along with the many ancient symbols inscribed onto the inside of this ring. These 6 true words Om Mani Padme Hum are the most common mantra in the Tibet. This mantra produces the sound and vibrations which allow you to feel at one with the universe. The mantra is considered to have high spiritual and creative power. And Pixiu is also known as Piyao. It is a powerful Chinese talisman. This creature will guard your wealth from leaving your home or workplace. Pixiu is especially popular among business people, investors, and gamblers in Asia. It is regarded as a dominant attractor of money. The Peak Shu conducts good luck and fortune, generates good feng shui or earth luck, and enhances wealth and riches. I will now teach you how to wear it properly. First, you need to wear the ring on your dominant hand, the hand you use to write. You also need to make sure that the head of the Peak Shu is outward as to draw energy from all directions. Before and while wearing it, you also need to remember to touch it frequently. This lets it know that you are the master and it should assist you. Do not allow others to touch it. If someone else touches it, cleanse it with water. Do not wear it while taking bath, as it is incompatible with the dirty things. Besides the points mentioned, all you need to do is to wear it and let it do its magic. I just wish someone had told me about this sooner. I've been suffering from bad luck for years. I could have enjoyed better things earlier in life, but just wearing the lucky feng shui Peak Shu wealth and protection ring. Besides me, the ring has been saving grace for so many people. One shared how it stopped the illness that has been killing her whole family. Another finally passed the board exam after failing 7 times. Another man told how he overcame depression and regained his self-confidence. With the internet, people around the world are now increasingly knowledgeable about the concept of feng shui and how it can help one get unstuck from misfortune. By just wearing the lucky feng shui Peak Shu wealth and protection ring, you can correct imbalances of energy and start to enjoy life when everything just goes your way. It can all be achieved by wearing a simple feng shui ring wherever you go. You have nothing to lose, except all of your bad energy, bad luck and misfortune. Click on the Shop Now button to get yours and experience a more abundant life today.